Yeah, so can you open your camera again? Hello? Yeah, now it is okay. So good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. So we are meeting first time. So can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Munshi Dudu from Jamui, Bihar, and my hobbies are reading English book, watching English content in YouTube, and playing football. That's all about me.
Yeah, that's very fantastic. So may I introduce myself now?
Yeah, tell
Okay.
me.
So my name is Sunidhi Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9. My father, I have 5 members in family and 3 siblings, one me and two of my brothers. And mom is to learn English language and to learn something new. That's all about me.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Um,
from how? Yeah. So what's your journey about the English language?
I just want to learn the language because English is very important nowadays. So I want to learn the language. I make some difference from for other people, so I want to learn the language. I have
Okay.
re, no any reason behind it.
Yeah, it
uh,
is a great thought of you.
I am from village area, so you know there is no speaking partner, so
Yes.
I saw your video on YouTube
Yeah.
and connected with you.
Yeah, you are absolutely right that English is very, very important for us, and we should learn English language because if we will know English language, then we can survive in this era only. And if we will not speak English language, then we will face a lots of difficulties, lots of problem, lots of challenges in our life. So that's why we should learn English language. And you have thought good because if you will speak English language, then you will not gonna to face any difficulties in your future life. So that's why you should learn English language. And talking about the how to practice English language, there are so many tips through which the people they can easily focus on their speaking English language. They can speak English language very well. Like firstly, the LSRW. If they will follow listening, speaking, reading, and writing. If they will follow like these tips, they can easily speak English language better than the other people. And you can easily learn very soon English language if you will follow like this tips. And you should not think like that. Whatever you are knowing, you have to express all those things. Like whatever you are knowing correct sentences, wrong sentences. Whatever you are knowing, you have to express all those things first. Because if you will express those things, then only you can be able to correct those things. Because we are a human beings only. If we will make mistake, then we have to also correct them. That's why if you are speaking wrong first time, then you have to correct them also. Because I was also doing like that things. And if we focus on the regular practice, because regular practice is very, very necessary for us. If you will do the regular practice, then you can learn English language very soon.
Yeah, when I want to speak in front of any person, then I feel a lot of hesitation and
Yeah,
fear.
yeah. So what? So how do you practice English language?
I practice by reading English book and watching the English video.
Wait a minute. Yeah, now it is okay. So what you were asking to me?
I want to know how I remove all the things like I have a lot of hesitation and fearness. This kind of problem I face.
Okay, so if you are facing this type of things, you have to just focus on the regular practice because the most of the people they are fearing in the speaking English language. They are hesitating so much because we haven't faced any cameras before, and we should face the camera because if we will face the camera only, they can easily overcome the fear or they can easily overcome of their hesitation. Like we are doing the video call conversation through which we are fearing a lot, we are not able to express all the same. So if we will face the camera, then only we can overcome all the hesitation. And you should follow on the regular practice because regular practice is very important. We should not speak like that we are speaking today and after 10 days we are started to speak English language. This is not like this. Whatever we are getting time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, in that only we have to manage and we have to speak English language, but we have to speak on the regular basis. Like today we are speaking, then tomorrow it is necessary to speak English language. Then you can see a good result in yourself and you can overcome of the hesitation and you can speak with a confident English language because there is nothing any option that now we are speaking English language and now only we can boost our English language suddenly. It is not like that. If we'll practice more and more, then only we can easily overcome of the hesitation and easily speak with a good English language. So that's why you have to speak on the regular basis through which you can easily speak with a confident English language. And whatever you are knowing, you have to express all those things. Like you have to elongate your sentences, and the more things you should say, then only you can speak English language.
Okay, thank you for giving me a good.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So as I just wanted to say you that from today on you have started to learn this language, or before, like from when did you started to learn this language and what the difficulties you face?
I was interested to learn the language since my childhood, but my what I am saying, my economic condition is not good, so I not study well in school. I am only 10th pass, and after that I leave my study. Now
Okay.
I when I saw videos on YouTube and others video on YouTube, my conversation in English language, I motivated from that, and I thought that I have a lack of knowledge, so I want to learn the language, and I started to speak for one
Yes, yes.
month.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. I agree with the point that English, we should learn English language because in India, most of the people they are lacking in the English language. They are lacking to speak English language in the India. So that's why we have to improve our country and our country should be developed. So that's why for that only we should also learn English language.
Okay, so I
Yeah.
want to know what do you do nowadays?
Yeah, so nowadays I am a student of class 9. I am studying in the school.
Okay,
Yeah.
are you studying in English medium or Hindi medium?
Yeah, there is both condition I can say. There is also English and Hindi, both their condition, but I can say more the thing is that I'm studying in the English medium school.
Okay.
Yeah, so I want to ask one question like, are you a YouTuber?
No, I not YouTuber. I am not YouTuber.
Okay, that's no problem. So do you have any more question to me?
Yeah, I have some question to you. What language do you speak in your home? At your home?
Yeah. So talking about that, what language I used to speak in the at my home. So I used to speak in the English language most with my parents, with my brother, because if we will practice more and more, then only we can see a good result. I have already told you, so that's why I also used to practice at my home by speaking through with my parents, through with my parents, brother, like this type of things I'm doing at my home, practicing at my home in the English language. Most of the time I used to speak in English, but rather than I can say I used to speak in my native language.
Okay.
Yeah, so as I think that we should wrap up the session because we have done all those things. So thank you so much for giving me such opportunity that I have talked to you, I have met to you, and I can say that thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.